Welcome to the Learning Corner. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Ever pondered if your brain functions like a quantum computer? It's a question that might sound like science fiction, but it's not as far-fetched as you might think. You see, quantum computers are powerful machines that the principles of quantum physics to process information. At the heart of these principles are two fascinating quantum phenomena: superposition and entanglement. In a nutshell, superposition allows particles to be in multiple states at once, and entanglement links particles together in such a way that the state of one can instantaneously affect the state of the other, no matter the distance between them. So, how does this relate to your brain? Well, just like a quantum computer, your brain might be capable of processing multiple possibilities at once, thanks to the Marvel superposition. And as for entanglement, it could potentially explain the complex interconnectedness of our thoughts and memories. Imagine for a moment your brain being a quantum computer, processing multiple realities at once. What if I tell you that your consciousness might be a quantum process? Now that's a thought to chew on, isn't it? The idea that the innermost mechanics of our minds might be governed by something as enigmatic and complex as quantum physics is both intriguing and somewhat unsettling. But let's take a step back. The mind-body problem, a classic conundrum in philosophy, puzzles over how our intangible thoughts and feelings can interact with our physical bodies. How can something as nebulous as consciousness have an effect on the solid matter of our brains? Quantum physics, with its inherent weirdness, might just have an answer. Enter the OR theory, proposed by the mathematical physicist Roger Penrose. He suggests that within our brain's neurons are tiny structures called microtubules. These microtubules, Penrose posits, could host quantum processes, essentially acting as the bridge between our physical brains and our conscious minds. This theory, however, is not without controversy. Many scientists argue that the warm, wet environment of the brain isn't conducive to the delicate quantum states. But even amidst these criticisms, the OR theory opens up fascinating avenues of thought. So, could our consciousness be a result of quantum processes in the brain? The jury is still out. But one thing is certain: the intersection of quantum physics and consciousness offers a rich landscape for exploration and discovery. So let's keep wondering, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of our understanding. Could the principles of quantum physics be at play within our biological systems? Quantum biology, a relatively new and exciting field, seeks to explore just that. It's an interdisciplinary domain that melds the laws of quantum physics with the complexity of biological systems, and it's opening up a whole new world of possibilities. Take photosynthesis, for example. This process, which plants use to convert sunlight into energy, is incredibly efficient. Scientists have found that this efficiency might be due to a quantum effect known as superposition, where particles can exist in multiple states at the same time. This allows the energy from sunlight to take multiple paths simultaneously, finding the most efficient route to the reaction center of the plant's cells. Similarly, studies on bird navigation suggest that our feathered friends might be using quantum entanglement to find their way. This is another quantum phenomenon where particles become interlinked and the state of one can instantly affect the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. Now let's bring this back to the brain. Could similar quantum processes be at work within our own biological systems? Some researchers believe so. They suggest that quantum effects might underpin cognitive processes, like consciousness and decision-making. So even if we don't fully understand it yet, there's a chance that quantum physics might be integral to our biological processes. What if we could harness the power of quantum physics to enhance our brains? Imagine a future where quantum computing not only revolutionizes artificial intelligence, but also significantly enhances human cognition. Picture a world where our understanding of the brain is no longer limited to the classical, but extends into the quantum realm. In this quantum future, we might be able to tap into previously inaccessible cognitive abilities. We could potentially process information at incredible speeds, solve complex problems that seem impossible today, and perhaps even access new forms of perception. The potential of quantum brain theory is immense, and its implications could be transformative. However, we must remember that this is a journey of discovery fraught with challenges and uncertainties. We are just at the beginning exploring the tip of the quantum iceberg. While it's still early days, the intersection of quantum physics and neuroscience could hold the key to understanding our brains and potentially even enhancing them. Until then, we can only marvel at the potential quantum wonders within us.